Hi and welcome to my channel. This is a cordless grinder, really good and very powerful. So I'm going to show you how this works and have a little review, and hopefully you get the right idea for this grinder. The brand name is Aberdeen. This grinder is cordless and it comes with a 18V 5.0 Ah battery, which is really long last, so you can use it for hours without even running out. And then you get this cutting blade, which is for metal, and you get this blade, which is for wood. This is really good. This is actually a sanding disc. You can even use this grinder to sand any type of wood or wool for painting. All you gotta do is screw it on, and you can use it for sanding your wall or any woodwork that you have. So I'm going to show you how that is done. And you've got this other sanding disc, which you can use only the tip of it. So you have to hold the grinder in an angle like that, so make sure it's off the floor, and you only use the tip just like that. Okay, so this is for sanding any roughness of the edge of the wood or metal, so it could be used for multiple tasks. And there's the charger. Very simple and powerful cordless grinder. Right, when you change the blade, make sure the battery is always off. So to put the battery on is very simple. Click that and it goes, and you just do that and it's on. Okay, so if you change the blade, always take the battery out just like that. There's a button, so hold that, make sure it's, yep, you see it's not moving anymore. Then you put the wrench on and just turn it towards that way and it'll open. So when you open, make sure that depth is facing towards the blade, so it clicks with that. Okay, that's out. This is really new, sanding your wall and woodwork with a grinder. How simple is that? So all you do is put it on, spin it until it's nice and tight, press that button at the back. There we go, it's on now. Put the battery on, it's on, and then you click and it's on. There we go. Right, this grinder is really good. When you click it on, so when it's on, it's actually on a sensor. So the moment you turn it on, it actually stops and then it turns itself on. So every time you click that, it turns itself on. So it's not fully on. That's the safety of it. So it's really good, and it's very new with this brand Aberdeen. So the moment you turn it on, it's not going to continue kind of spinning, so which is risky. So every time you want to use it, you just click that. Let's show it. So when I turn it on, it's going to turn itself back off. You see? So if I touch it again, it's turning itself on. It is on now. See, the button is on. The moment you do, sorry for the noise, when you do a little bit of movement, it turns itself on. So it's really good, and the health and safety of this grinder is really good. Right, so that's the sanding one. We can use it, and let's have a little look. Really fast. Beautiful. And this grinder comes with a instruction book as well, so you can see it clearly. how to change blade. Nice and simple. Okay, I hope this video has helped you, and if you would like to know, this is a good review for this brand Aberdeen, and away you go and buy one. And this works for me, and thank you very much. Bye bye.